Then start
Start.
read.
Okay. So, third chapter is Indian Constitution. It is one of the part of civics. It's one of the parts of civic. Got it?
Yes.
Now, you know that our India was in the hand of Britishers. Yes? Who were ruling us? Britishers were ruling. So for that, our freedom fighters, many freedom fighters have struggled and lost their lives to make our India independent. Finally, on August 15, 1947, yes, uh, our India was our India was independent. Yes,
Yes.
and from that day we are celebrating Independence Day. Got it?
Yes.
After that, as India was independent, somehow we have started making our constitution. What is constitution? It is I tell it that it's one type of all the systematic rules which is run for the it's for running the government. Yes, so it is known as the constitution of the country. Yes, got it. And our constitution is in written form. It is one type of book. It's one type of book. As our India became independent and systematic work should be done. Yes, so for systematic work should be done, we have prepared one type of book which is in written form, and sometimes it is also in unwritten form for the country. Is called constitution. Got it, beta?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay. First para introduction part you will be reading.
Ma'am, can I read?
Yes, you can.
Haley, Priyanshu, and Sachin are watching the final match of World Cup of 2011 on TV with their parents. An exciting match is going on between India and Sri Lanka. Who will win the World Cup? India or Sri Lanka? Sri Lanka had put up a challenging target for India to achieve,
So what
but
it is told that three were there. Haley, Priyanshi and Sachin. Some are interested in matches. Yes, some are interested in matches. Okay. So what they will do? They will be sitting. We think who will win? Who will win? India will win. India will get World Cup. Yes. So on of 2011 on TV, who were watching the TV? A match that is Haley, Priyanshi and Sachin. They were excited. The match was between India and Sri Lanka. These three were excited that who will win the match. Sri Lanka had put a challenging target for India to achieve, but with the fearless batting of the Indian captain Mahendra Singh Dhoni, who was the captain at that time? Mahendra
Mahendra
Singh
Singh Dhoni.
Dhoni. And with his victory, we won our match. Who won the match? India won the match. Next.
everyone has one thing to say. Really, Manu, the previous match between England and India resulted in a tie. What does that mean? Determined said, Delhi, for a popular game like cricket, the ICC has systematically formed rules. A tie in a match means that both the teams have an equal score. Even the games like football, hockey, kabaddi, etc. have their own set of rules. If a game has so many rules, then to run the administration of a popular one requires
Okay. So, what from this what we are learning? At that time, we were happy that our India won the match. India won the. Haley said to her mother while watching TV, "Mommy, the previous match between England and India. What was the result? The result was time. What's the meaning of time? Means time is England and India both were having similar score. Okay. From this example, what we are learning that when for these games, some of the rules will be there. Some of the rules will be there. Yes or no?
yes,
Yes. So for that, administrations have some frame some rules. So some organization, we tell it for cricket we are having ICC, Indian Cricket Council. So which will be forming rules accordingly, which will be forming rules. We set well framed rules for all the games. We will be having council, some organization. Same way for football, hockey, kabaddi, we have their own set of rules. Yes. So for this rule, the administrations have made some councils at the. Got it? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So for running our government, our some sets of rules will be there. For that we have constitution. Okay, next is we the people of India having solemnly resolved to constitute India into a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic and to secure to all its citizens justice, social, economic and political, liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith and worship, equality of status and of opportunity, and to promote among them all fraternity, assuring the dignity of the individual and the unity and integrity of the nation. And our Constitutional Assembly, this 26th day of November 1949, to hereby adopt, annex, and give to ourselves this constitution. So, what is this? Our India is republic. Our India is republic. What is democratic? Very first word. What is democratic? Democratic means what? These are the salient features. Which are the salient features? First is democratic, then secularism, third is republic, fourth is federal state, and fifth is fundamental rights. Got it, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So democratic means what? Can you tell me? Which will be having own objectives. Which will be having own objectives. Yes. Yes. Our India's government is in the form of democratic. Which form it is? Democratic. We are electing people on the basis of the citizens. On the basis of voting, we are electing our people, no? Yes. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
No one want to answer.
Yes, ma'am.
So on the basis of that, our India is democratic. Next is secularism. What is the meaning of secularism? As our India is a secular state, we are right to follow any of the choices, right to follow any religion. Yes. So it means secularism. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Then republic. It is also republic that means directly or indirectly, government has power to limit some specific rights. Yes, if any people can vote at any time, any caste, any creed, any sex, any religion, and any status, they are free to follow. Uh, they are free to handle the government. Clear, beta? I am giving you
Yes.
simple words, but when you are be reading from your books, it will be hard for you. Okay? Then next is federalism. What is federal? Federal means the laws which is in the union list by central government. Central government means Delhi's government is known as central government. Yeah, state government. All these laws are defined by whom? Federal state. Clear these words,
Yes, ma'am.
all the girls. So, when was our constitution passed? On 26th of November in 1949, our constitution was passed. It was prepared. Clear, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, definition of the constitution. Who will be reading?
Ma'am, can I read?
Yes.
Symbol of our a systemic
Compil
completion of
compilation.
compilation of set of rules to turn the government of a country is known as the constitution of the country.
So,
Constitution can be
wait,
written.
beta. So I will can ask and explain the terms. Constitution. So a set of rules. Set of rules means all the rules are mentioned in the constitution. But in which form? In systematic form for running our government is known as constitution. Next.
Constitution can be in written or unwritten form.
So
Our
somewhere we are having in written form and somewhere it will be unwritten form.
unwritten form.
Next.
Our constitution start with the preambles.
From where it will be starting? It will be starting with the preamble. First
Preamble.
page is known as preamble. Your first page will be of your textbooks. First page will be of a pledge. Yes, India is my country. All Indians are my brothers and sisters. Same way, in Constitution, first page will be preamble, which means introduction. Okay. So from here, I am keeping the screen. Read. If you are having doubt, you can ask me. If you have read it, tell me, ma'am. Yes, we have read. So I will scroll it. Okay. Start.
Ma'am, can I read?
Start. Yes.
Haley, Priyanshi and Sachin are watching the final match of World Cup of 2011 on TV with their parents. An exciting match is going on between India and Sri Lanka. Who will win the World Cup, India or Sri Lanka? Sri Lanka had put up a challenging target for India to achieve, but with the fearless batting of the India captain Mahendra Singh Dhoni, India won the World Cup. Everyone was rejoicing in victory.
Rejoicing means enjoying.
Haley said to her mother while watching TV, "Mummy, the previous match between England and India resulted in a tie." "What do you mean?" Nitaben said. "Haley, for the popular game like cricket, the ICC has systematically formed rules. A tie is in a match means that both the teams have an equal score. Even the games like football, hockey, kabaddi, etc., their known set of rules. If a game has so many rules, then to run the administration of populous nation, we surely require well-framed rules."
So for now we take it example of shop. Okay, you want to earn enough profit. There should be some rules and regulation made by us. Yes. So for same way for games also our head party administrators will make some rules. So for running our government we have prepared constitution. Next.
We, the
For
people of India,
wait. For it's given you easy example for understand the meaning of constitution. Next.
We, the people of India, having solemnly resolved to constitute India into a sovereign, socialist, secular,
Secular.
democratic republic and to secure to all its citizens justice, social, economics, and political liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith, and worship, equality of status and of opportunity, and to promote among them all fraternity, assuring the dignity of the individual and the unity and integrity of the nation.
This all these things were started. Yes. Next.
In our Constituent Assembly, this 26th day of November 1949, do hereby appoint, enact and give to ourselves this Constitution.
Okay. When was Constitution framed? Constitution was finally framed on 26 November 1949 and it was adopted by our government. Okay. Next.
Yes, ma'am.
Preamble of Constitution. A, synthem- a
Systematic.
systematic compilation of set of rules to run the government of a country is known as constitution of the country. Constitution can be in written or unwritten form. Our constitution start with the preamble.
Yes. So
એ ભાઈ તમે રહેવાના છો કે વયા જવાના છો?
who is this?
ભલે વયા જવાના છો. હે? કોને લઈને? ભાઈલાને. લે ધક્યાના.
Nayani, what you are doing? Modesa. So, what is constitution? Definition of constitution: a collection of systematic rules. All the systematic rules for running the government of a country is known as constitution. How is our constitution? It is in written and unwritten form, and it starts with the what? With the preamble. Preamble means what? First page of constitution. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, how was the Constitution of India framed?
The
Yes?
Constitution of India
Don't raise. First, I will explain how it was framed. So, I have explained you some of the statements, some of the words, democratic, secular. So, these are the salient features of the Constitution. Which features? Salient features. As our constitution has established, the Constitution Assembly was established for framing the constitution. It was started from 9th December 1946. From when it was started? From 9th December 1946 by our some scholars and some leaders. Yes, first of all, leaders like Jawaharlal Nehru, Rajendra Prasad, Sardar Patel, Maulana Abdul Kalam Azad, Shyam Prasad Mukherjee, Sardar Baldev Singh, these were represented for framing the constitution. And some were Anglo-Indian Committee. What is Anglo-Indian Committee? Means Anglo-Indian means people. Anglo-Indian means the leaders from India were also there and Britishers. Two members of Britishers were there also there in the constitution. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Then female members like Sarojini Naidu, Vijaya Lakshmi Pandit, Rajendra Prasad, and Rajendra Prasad was elected as the president of the Constituent Assembly. Next, how it started, how many meetings were held for making the constitution? 166 meetings were held. How many? 166. And it took period of 2 years 11 months. How many months? 2 years 11 months and 18 days to frame the constitution. So we think it that it's approximately 3 years. Yes, it was started from which date? That is 10 December 1946 and completed on 26 November 1949. And it was enforced on 26 January 1950. Means we celebrate it as Republic Day. Why we celebrate it as Republic Day? Because from that day we follow the rules according to our constitution, which is mentioned in the constitution. Clear, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
All the girls, how it was formed?
Yes.
Okay, who will be reading? Who will be reading?
Mm,
Ma'am, can I read?
Yes.
The Constitution of India is the statement of national goals and aims such as democracy, socialism, secularism, national unity, etc. The Constituent Assembly was established. It started working from 9th December
From when?
1946.
From which day it started working?
9th December 1946. The Constituent Assembly was formed of prominent and distinguished scholars and leaders. Their political visions and foresight was incorporated in the Constitution.
Incorporated means they were not cooperating for framing the
Incorporated
constitution.
in the Constitution. Leaders like Jawaharlal Nehru, Dr. Rajendra Prasad, Sardar Patel, Maulana Abdul Kalam Azad, Shyama Prasad Shyam Prasad represented the Anglo-Indian Committee and H.P. Modi represented the Parsi community. The committee had oversees constitutional scholars like Aladi, Krishna
Swami Iyer.
Iyer, Krishna Swami Iyer, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, K.M. Munshi,
So these were
etc.
the members who were presented in
There
the
were female
constitution.
members. There were female members like Sarojini Naidu and Vijay Lakshmi Pandit. Dr. Rajendra Prasad was elected as the president of the Constituent Assembly. There were a number of subcommittees to take care of various aspects of the Constitution. The drafting committee, which was headed by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, gave to the Constitution its final shape. Total 166 meetings were held by the Constituent Assembly in a time period of 2 years, 11 months and 18 days. 126 November 1949, the committee passed the Constitution, which was enforced on 26 January 1950.
So clear?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome, beta. So from which day it started working? From 9th December 1946. The leaders were Jawaharlal Nehru, Rajendra Prasad, Sardar Patel, Maulana Abdul Kalam Azad, Shyama Prasad Mukherjee, Sardar Baldev Singh. Okay, they were providing guidance. Next thing, Frank Anthony started Anglo-Indian Committee and H.P. Modi started Parsi Community. Yes. So This way, our constitution's framing work was started. Then some were female members, that is Sarojini Naidu, Vijayalakshmi Pandit, yes, and Rajendra Prasad was elected as the president of Constitution Assembly. How many meetings were held? 166 meetings, and it took 2 years, 11 months, and 18 days. Yes. Next is when it was framed on 26 November 1949, and lastly, it was enforced on 26 January 1950. That's why we're celebrating it as a Republic Day. So over here, till today, we will learn over till here. Okay.